Good morning children. Today I am going to revise you of geometry polygons. So in that polygons we are revising here. A polygon is a simple closed figure made up of line segments. Means it is a closed figure made up of line segments here. If I take the one line segment, we can't draw a polygon. Why? Because it won't be closed. See, a given here polygon nothing but closed figure I give. If I take one line segment, we can't close a figure. It is not a closed figure. If I take the two line segments also, it is also not a closed figure. Means it won't be the polygon. With the three line segments, we can start the polygons. What are the three-sided polygon is triangle. Already you know children, three-sided polygon is triangle here, and four-sided figure we have many here. Here I am drawing three-sided figure triangle. Four-sided figure many we can take: square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium. Many we have here. So one I am taking here. So that many we can call it as a quadrilateral. So we can take here square, rectangle, many shapes we can take in the quadrilateral which have the four-sided. Okay. Now next, five-sided figure. Five-sided figure is pentagon. Pentagon, here you can see children, pentagon. This is a pentagon shape. And six-sided figure. Six-sided figure is hexagon. Here you can see hexagon. These are the shapes, hexagon. Next, seven-sided figure. Seven-sided figure you can take here, heptagon. And eight-sided octagon. Nine-sided figure, nanogon. And 10-sided decagon. So these all are the polygons children. See, the polygon starts from the three sides. So three-sided figure is triangle, four-sided figure is quadrilateral, and five-sided figure is pentagon, six-sided figure is hexagon, seven-sided figure is heptagon, eight-sided figure nothing but polygon is octagon, nine-sided polygon is nanogon, and 10-sided polygon is decagon. These are the... Yes children, now triangle. Triangle, what is the definition of triangle here? Triangle already I told you it is a polygon here. A polygon with three sides means, polygon already means a closed figure with line segments, no? So a polygon with a three-sided figure is a triangle. Here you can see the triangular shape. This is a triangular shape. Now next, types of triangles we are going to learn here. What are the types of triangles? Types of triangles are two types that divided here. The triangle is divided here. Type of the triangle is divided on the basis of sides, and the types of triangles are divided on the basis of angles. Now first let's see that on the basis of sides. Now first one is that equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle nothing but here all sides are equal. Means whatever the triangle you are taking, in the triangle all sides should be equal. Here you can see here sides. I am saying here sides. So here you can see. So for example, here half meter means here also half meter, here also half meter, or 1 centimeter means 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So all three sides should be same in the equilateral triangle. Coming to the isosceles triangle here. What is isosceles triangle here? Two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. Here you can see here I am drawing the shape of a isosceles triangle. So this side should be equal and the third side should be different. Here you see. So two sides of a triangle are equal here. Any two sides of a triangle here. The other third side is the different. Okay. Now third one is scale triangle here. What is the scale and triangle here? All sides are unequal. Unequal means which are not equal. Means all the three sides should be not equal. See here you can take here. This is one length. Here this is one length and this is one length you can take here. So three line segments length should be different here. So these are the triangles on the basis of sides. Again I am repeating here. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle nothing but all sides are equal. Means all the three sides length should be equal. And isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Any two sides line segments length should be equal and the third side is different here. Now scale and triangle. Scale and triangle nothing but here all sides are unequal. Means all the three sides are different which are here. You can see the figure. Now coming to on the basis of angles. Types of triangles on the basis of angles. So here you see acute angled triangle. First one is acute angled triangle. What is acute angled triangle here? All the angles are acute. Acute nothing but here which is less than 90 degrees. Means all the three angles should be less than the 90 degrees. Here you can take here. So this may be less than 90, this may be less than 90, this may be less than 90. All the three sides should be less than the 90 degrees here. Now obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle nothing but here one of the angle is obtuse. Obtuse means what? Which angle lies between the 90 to 180 degrees. Means any one of the angles should be obtuse. Means you can take here. Any one of the angle should be obtuse. Okay, means it should lie between the 90 to 180 degrees. Now right angled triangle. One of the angle is right angle. In the three angles, one of the angles should be right angle here. So this is the right angle triangle. Again I am repeating here. Now types of triangles on the basis of angles children. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle nothing but it should be less than the 90 degrees. And one more point here. Whatever the angles you are taking which is less than the 90 degrees. If you are adding the three angles it should be 180 degrees children. It is a condition for triangle. So three angles when you are adding it should be 180 degrees. Sum of the three angles should be 180 degrees. Means you have to take which is less than the 90 degrees but when the sum we are taking means it should be the 180 degrees. Now this is a acute angle triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle also here also the sum of the angles should be 180 degrees and in the three angles one should be the obtuse. Nothing but it should lie between the 90 to 180 degrees. Now right angle triangle. In the three of the triangles one angle should be the 90 degrees children. Okay. So these are the types of the triangles on the basis of sides, on the basis of angles. Yes children. Next polygons are quadrilaterals. See a polygon with four-sided means if we go with the four-sided figure is called four line segments. So it is a quadrilateral children and in that we have types of quadrilaterals and its properties here. See first one square. Square. Here square looks like this. And now you see its properties here. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel means this side should be parallel. Means it should go into the same way. And here left and right should be the parallel. These two should be the parallel. And second property is all sides are equal. All sides are equal means so whatever the length you are taking of one side, any one side. So the remaining other three sides should be the same. For example, here you are taking 5 centimeters. So here also you should take 5 centimeters. Here also you should take 5 centimeters. And here also you should take 5 centimeters. Means it's a square. All sides should be same. And third property is all angles are right angles. whatever the angle you are taking, here it should be the right angle, nothing but 90 degrees. All angles, you can see here 4 angles in a quadrilateral, means 4 angles are all angles are right angles, nothing but 90 degrees. Come to the rectangle here. Here you can see the shape of the rectangle here. And what are the properties of rectangles here? Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides means top and bottom should be parallel and left and right should be parallel. Means these two should be parallel and these two should be parallel. And second property is opposite sides are equal. Means the lengths of the opposite sides, opposite line segments length should be equal. Means for example here you are taking 3 centimeters top and bottom also, bottom line segment also it should be the 3 centimeters. For example here you are taking 5 centimeters. Here also you should take the 5 centimeters. And coming to the left and right. Here you are taking 2 centimeters and means here you should take the 2 centimeters only. Means nothing but opposite sides should be equal. Means top and bottom should be equal lengths of the line segments, and left and right equal lengths of the line segment you should take. And third property is all angles are right angles. Whatever the angle you are taking, it should be the 4 angles you can see here. Here one, here one, here one and here one. Means 4 angles should be the 90 degrees. Right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. So 4 of the angles should be the 90 degrees. Yes, children. Some more quadrilaterals here. Rhombus. Rhombus it's look like this, and its properties here. Opposite sides are parallel. See, opposite sides, this line segment and this line segment should be the parallel, and this line segment and this line segment should be the parallel. Means opposite sides should be parallel. Now all sides are equal. Means all sides line segments length should be equal here. All line segments length should be equal. This is a rhombus cylinder. And coming to the parallelogram here. See, here you can see the shape of the parallelogram. And here opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides should be the parallel. See, these two should be the parallel and these two should be the parallel, and opposite sides are equal. So this line segment length and this line segment length should be equal. Nothing but top and bottom line segments length should be equal, and this line segment length and this line segment length should be equal. Means left and right line segments length should be equal. Nothing but opposite sides are equal. Now opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. Lengths are equal. Now trapezium here. Trapezium, you can see the shape of trapezium here. Now what is the property of it? One pair of opposite sides is parallel. One pair of any one pair. Here you see. Here this pair, this line segment, this two, nothing but one pair, okay. This pair should be the parallel, okay. Here this pair should be the parallel. See, here you can see top and bottom are the parallel. Means 2 line segments should be the parallel. So these are the rhombus, which are opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. And it is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal. And this is a trapezium. One pair of opposite sides is parallel. Thank you, children.